Looking to get started in the exciting creative industry? Whether you're looking to be a part of a creative agency, media publisher, or a marketing team, getting a business-related diploma from PSB Academy can help you make it happen. With a digital marketing diploma, where you will learn about digital marketing in the course of 12 months and earn a Google Analytics certificate in the process. You can also choose a media and communications diploma offering 2 elective pathways. Become an influencer, content creator, and learn the ropes of media production, may it be for TV or radio. The social media pathway is developed in partnership with NAS Academy. Graphic design diploma, where you'll learn about creative digital media and designs, which are perfect for advertising, video animation, UX design, and illustration. With our graphic design diploma, you will have the opportunity to create your first creative portfolio. So take your first step towards joining the creative industry. Apply at PSB Academy today.